I'm going to show you how to edit your affiliate settings for Amazon, eBay, and Commission Junction inside SitePogo. Now, no matter what version of the software you're using, the process for this is exactly the same. If you don't have an Amazon account, if you don't have a Commission Junction or an eBay account, that's okay. You can still use the software, but you will not receive commissions for any of the products that you use from those services. So you want to definitely enter your affiliate information if you have it. Okay, so you're not forced to do it, but if you want to use those products and get paid commissions, you're going to want to do that. So once you've installed and activated and licensed the plugin, you'll notice up here in the corner in the menu, there's a setting for settings. You want to click that, and that brings you to a page that looks like this. And this is going to allow you to enter all of your information. So we'll take them one at a time. The first thing that we need to do is enter our Amazon credentials. Now to do that, you're going to need your associates tag, which is the tag that they give you. It's basically your affiliate ID that Amazon gives you. So you're going to need that. And you're also going to need a public and a private key. And the way you're going to get those, if you don't already have them, is you're going to log into Amazon AWS. So if you search for Amazon AWS, that's Amazon Web Services basically, then all you need to do is click on that and log in. If you've never created your key, your public and private key before, you'll be able to create them at the same time. If you already have, you just need to log in to access them. So then you want to go where it says sign into the console. And if you haven't set up an account yet, you can set one up, and it's 100% free. Okay, but you need this in order to be able to use the software with Amazon. So we're going to sign into the console, and then you can enter whatever username and password that you have. And when you first log in, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's got a ton of different things. Some of these services you may have, some of them that you don't. But all we really care about right here is we need to go to security credentials. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, when you do that, you're going to see a warning that basically says, hey, if you give anybody this information, it's going to allow them access to your Amazon AWS account. So you're aware of it. Anything that you enter into the admin panel for SitePogo is completely private to you. We have no access to that. We're not able to see that in any way. So it's secure. So you're going to continue to your security credentials. And then what you want to click on is access keys, the access key ID and secret access key. When you click on that, it'll bring up a screen that looks like this. If you've already created key pairs, they'll be here. If you have not, you could just click on create new access key. And it's going to give you two things. It's going to give you an access key, and it's going to give you a secret access key, which it's only going to show you one time. They're both going to be long strings of characters and numbers like this. Okay, so you're going to want to copy both of those down because you're going to need both of those pieces of information. And then we're going to go back and paste those into our software. Now, the other piece of information we're going to need is we need our associate tag ID, which you probably already know, but in case you don't, let me show you how to get back there. So we can go to Amazon Associates, and then we can just go ahead and log in to the Amazon Associates program the same way that we logged into the AWS. Now, when you first log in, you'll notice it says signed in as or tracking ID. That is your associate ID. Okay, so that's the ID that you want to use. You're going to copy that and go back to your SitePogo software. That tracking ID is going to go right in where it says your associate tag. You're going to paste that right in there. Then the public key and the private key that you just created, you're going to paste in here. And then you're going to choose your region. Okay, so those are the steps for doing Amazon. Now let's take a look at eBay. And if you want to save the settings at any time, you can just go down here and where it says add setting and click that. Now for eBay, the app ID you can leave the way it is. We left that editable in case you want to create your own eBay app if you're a developer or whatever, but it will use our app that we created. So that's really all you need. So what we need is the global ID and the campaign ID from eBay. Now the global ID is basically just which country's eBay site you want to use. and we've included a list of the global IDs in the members area, so you could just reference that, but I'll show it to you online here. And you can see, so for example, if you were going to use eBay Australia, your global ID would be eBay-AU. And it's important that you do it in all capitals, just the way that it shows. Okay, so if you were going to use, eBay UK, it would be eBay-GB, all capitals. Okay, this left column here is global ID, and it totally depends on where you want to be getting products from when you do searches. Okay, because when you do your searches in the software, it's going to go to whatever global ID you've put here. All right, so that is exactly how the global ID works and where you're going to get that information. Now, the other piece of information we need is actually, let me actually just paste that in there just so I can show you exactly how we're going to do it. So for me, it would be eBay US. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to paste that right in there. Now for the campaign ID, you log into your eBay partner account, your eBay affiliate account. So you just go to publisher.ebaypartnernetwork.com and log in. And then once you've logged into your dashboard, again, if you're not already approved as an eBay affiliate, where you can go is just type in eBay affiliate program. And then you'll see that it's called the eBay Partner Network. You would just click on that. And then if I wasn't already logged in, it would say sign in or apply now if you're not already a member. Okay. So once you are logged in, it does take them a couple days to approve you. So once you've logged in, your campaign ID, you're just going to click on where it says campaigns. And then what we're going to do is just create a new campaign. And you could call it whatever you want. It doesn't even matter. You just need an ID so it has an ability to link it together. So I'm just going to call this SitePogo Campaign 1. Okay? And I'm going to put that on there. You could label these for what website you're putting it on or whatever you want. You click create. And then what it's going to do is it's going to create that campaign and assign an ID to it. The campaign ID is the number that you see right over here. So we're going to copy that and we're going to go back to our software and we're going to paste that in to the campaign ID. And that's all you need to do for eBay. Okay, so now let's take a look at Commission Junction. All we need for this is a website ID. Again, we've included the developer key, but we've already created the developer app. So you don't need to change that unless you're a developer yourself and you know what you're doing and you wanted to create your own app. So website ID is the only piece of information we need. So let's go ahead and get that. Now again, if you don't have an account, you can apply for one. It may take them a couple of days. And then when you're approved, this is how you add it. So you just go to cj.com. And then if you're not already in, you can sign up. You would be a publisher. And then all you would do if you're not already a member is you'd go down here to where it says free publisher sign up. You click on that and it will take you through. You can sign up, fill everything out. And again, it may take a day or two to get approved. If you want to read about the requirements, you can do that here. Once you have an account, all you're going to do is click log in and then you're going to enter your username and password. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. And you're going to go right over to where it says account. And then what we want to do is we need to get a website ID. And so much like eBay with campaigns, for this it works like with websites. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on where it says websites. And then what we can do is we can add a website right here. So we click on the add button. Then you can put in the name of the website. And then you put in the URL. So you're going to put in the full URL. And then you can choose a category for it. So depending on what category it is, you can put in a description. And then you're just going to save that website. And once you do that, you're going to see that it gives you an ID. You're going to take that website ID, and that is what you're going to go over to the software with, and you're going to paste that in. Then you're just going to click Add Setting to save it, and you're totally done. Every product you use from Commission Junction, eBay, and Amazon will get you commissions when people click through. It's that simple to get it all set up.